Hello students, welcome to the Ashadicam channel for the class of 3rd language English for high school exam, for scholarship exam and for competitive exam. Students, we are learning about the verbal question or yes no type questions. In previous videos, we learned that the verbal question begins with primary auxiliaries. In this video, we will learn about the questions begins with modal auxiliaries. Here is the structure of this type of question. This type of question begins with modal auxiliary, then comes subject, then main verb, then complement, and the sentence ends with question mark. Here are the modal auxiliaries: shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, and must. Now we will see the uses of these modal auxiliaries. Shall, should, will, would are used for to ask about intention. Intention in Marathi manatil hetu. Then to ask about duty or moral obligation, that is moral requirement, नैतिक बंधन, कर्तव्य, गरज या संदर्भामध्ये हे मॉडल ऑक्झिलरीज वापरले जातात. To ask about probability, probability that is most likely to happen the things, संभावनीयता. To ask for advice, to ask about assurance, that is about the firmness about something. To make the request or polite request, these modal auxiliaries are used to prepare the verbal questions. Let's see some examples here. Shall. Examples see. First, shall we return tomorrow? In this sentence, this is asked for the advice. And second, shall I take your book? This is the request. Should. Examples are here. Should everybody take part in dance? This question indicates the duty or obligation. Second example, should they finish their job today? This shows or this indicates the probability. Will. Examples, will he win that race? In this question, it is indicate about the future expectations. Will you help me please? And this is the request. Would. Examples are here. Would you open the window please? Would I use your laptop for an hour? These are the polite request. Okay students? Here are the next modal auxiliaries: can, could, may and might. These modal auxiliaries are used for to ask someone's ability. Ability, that is the quality of being able or capable. पात्रता, क्षमता विचारण्यासाठी. To ask someone's capacity. Then to make the request, can, could, may, might. These modal auxiliaries are used. To ask about possibility. Possibility, that is the quality of being possible. These modal auxiliaries are used. To ask permission in formal way and to ask permission in polite manner, these modal auxiliaries are used. Here are other examples. Can. Can I use your umbrella? In this question, request is done. Can you drive the car? It indicates the ability. Could. Examples are here. Could you please take me to the manager? This is the polite request. Could I ask a doubt, sir? In this question, the permission formal way, informal way is indicated. May. Example C. May I bring my puppy in the school, ma'am? In this question, the permission is asked and may we come a bit later. Here probability is indicated. Here are the next examples. Might indicates the uncertainty. यामध्ये अनिश्चितता दर्शवलेली असते. Examples are here. Might I just interrupt for a moment? मी काही क्षणाकरिता तुम्हाला व्यत्यय आणू शकतो का? Might you help me, sir? This is uncertain request. Must is asked, used to ask about moral obligation or compulsion. Examples: must we wear the mask? आपण मास्क घातलाच पाहिजे का? Must I take care of nature? Now read all these examples again and take down all examples in your notebook. Prepare your own examples using these all model auxiliaries. Have a good luck. Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to Asha EduCamp channel to get more exciting educational videos regularly.